everyone. Today is May the 4th, and I was at Hollywood Studios this morning and this afternoon and picked up two new lightsabers. Yes, they are white cases as opposed to the standard gray cases, so I have a gray case here just for reference. But we have Luminaras and also the new Ventress lightsaber as well. Both of these were launched today, and I'm looking forward to unboxing them with you today. So I'm not sure which one I'm going to unbox first, but I will definitely unbox the other one after that, and I'll leave a link up here for that as well. All right, so as we do, we'll go ahead and pick at random here. This will be number 1, and Ventress will be number 2. Alexa, pick a number between 1 and 2.
Here's a number between 1 and 2. It's 1.
All right, so we will unbox Luminara's lightsaber here. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so it's a white lightsaber case, which is interesting. And I actually really like it because we actually have some definition with the white and the black on that. So that's actually super cool. As you can see, it is still with the tape on it. I have not unboxed it yet. And as you can see, it is Luminara Unduli. She is a Jedi, and she's and if you've watched Clone Wars, you definitely know who she is. So we'll just be careful here. And we'll do this one as well. And if you have any questions, make sure to ask down below. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, I invite you to do so. We do lots of things on the channel that a professional geek might find interesting, like Star Wars. We do a lot of Star Wars on the channel, a lot of Star Wars and Star Wars The Black Series, but we also do other things as well, like home automation, gaming, basically anything that a professional geek might find interesting. So I find it interesting. Hopefully you will as well. There we go. All right, all that tape is gone. We've got the green Jedi symbol there, and there it is, the hilt. It's a nice looking saber, I will say that. It does have the CoverTech wheel, so we'll take a closer look at that in just a moment. We've got the note here, don't need anything on that, and there's nothing inside the case that we need to keep, so that's really it. Just put that back in there. All right, so basically it is held just like this. We've got the bolt. Sorry. We've got the case there. To turn it on, it is just a twist right here, which is nice. It's not going to do anything until we put in the blade. It feels nice. It's a decent weight. It's not like the Cal Kestis lightsaber, which that's what got me into collecting the Legacy lightsabers. Before that, I collected purely the Black Series sabers, and then some of the other ones as well. But I like this one a lot. I like that it's different because it doesn't have the switch that you would normally use. So let's go ahead and get the blade out, and then we can take a closer look at that. And again, if you have any questions while we're going through this, make sure to ask down below. All right, so let's go ahead and take the blade plug out again. And got the blade here, and we're definitely going to have to probably change there we go, turn off the lights here in just a moment, but as you can see, it is a green saber. And what we'll do is we'll turn out the lights here so you can get a better look at the saber. All right, so if you are not familiar with Luminara Unduli, I'll leave some video or information right here.
Do you think you'll still be able to call on the Force after I've separated your head from your body?
Even with my vision clouded, I recognize the fighting style of Count Dooku.
Right here, but she's definitely from the Clone Wars, and she was a Jedi Knight. So with that, I took off all the stickers on here. The stickers really bug me, but I like the fact that, you know, you can't really tell how to turn this lightsaber on except for just the twist on that dial there. It could have been the red or the black one there. The only thing that we haven't done yet is actually taking a closer look at unscrewing this. So to get to the batteries, all we got to do is unscrew from the bottom. It's a little bit different than some of the other ones. That's like the smallest sound maker there. And then basically you unscrew that, and then you can get to the actual batteries themselves. And they are, I believe, 3 AAAs? I could be wrong. They might be AA's. But that's all it is as far as getting to the batteries. And that's really it. So with that, if you have any questions, ask down below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't already subscribe to the channel, I invite you to do so. Like I said before, we do lots of things on the channel a professional geek might find interesting, like Star Wars, but basically we cover just about everything that me, myself, being a professional geek finds interesting, and you will hopefully find interesting as well. So with that, have a great day.